All right, we are delighted now to be joined by attorney Brook Goff, the founding partner of Goff Law.
Yes, thank you so much for coming in and just telling us a little bit about, how you're different. And, so many people are having all these legal questions every day. You could probably sit on the phone all day with people questioning, what should I do about this?
That's exactly what I do.
Yeah.
Yes. It's all I do. Yeah.
Yes. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, how I'm different, you obviously see how I'm different. So most of the time there's a man sitting in the seat, right? When people do this. So what makes us different is we are a female owned and operated personal injury law firm. We do workers' comp and personal injury. I let the results and I let my clients speak for how we're different. I could rattle on and on and on, but it's not really my style. I grew the firm by educating people. So I take a different approach to not only advertising, but how I manage and operate the firm. My goal is that even if a client does not sign, they walk out of my office much more educated in the particular area where they're having an issue than before. If I've done that, I've done my job. If I get their case, that's a bonus.
Yeah, I see the spots on TV and I learn. Like I listen to your, you talk about, well, if you're going to go for, a compensation case, these are some of the rules. I mean, you get it like a tutorial on the air, which is so great.
I need to get a jingle or something because I'm in a restaurant, right? And people will recognize me. I'm sure it's the hair, right? So they'll be like, you're the lawyer from TV. Oh, if I get in a car accident, I'm doing this, 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 this. And I'm like, that's exactly what I want, though. Most people would think it's a funny thing, and it's kind of humorous. But for somebody like me, my passion is to teach. My passion is to make people knowledgeable. You can't change the negativity around personal injury law, bloodsuckers, ambulance chasers, until you change the way the law is being handled and managed by the lawyers within it. It's the next generation feel, right? Yeah. So that has been my passion and that has been my goal. Yes, I'm very busy as a result of it, which is great for me. But what I love doing is not only practicing law, like I said, but educating the public.
So as a teacher, and I love that you have that in you, people are listening right now, if you could make sure they knew just one thing, what would you want them to know?
So to answer that question it's going to be a little funny because I'm going to go against what I say. So I don't do the educational part of it because I try to force people to hire lawyers. But if you watch all the educational segments, you'll see that cases are very complicated. Workers' comp, we call workers complicated in my office, right? Car accidents, slip and fall. It is. It's complicated. All of it's complicated. So what people will learn if they watch the educational segments, all this good stuff, right, is that on the client's best day, they will get less than an attorney will get them on the attorney's worst day.
That makes sense.
And that's the way it is. Attorneys have to learn in my profession, they have to put people before profits. When you do that, you'll always succeed. Most attorneys don't want to educate people because they think if they know what to do, then they're not going to need a lawyer. It's actually the opposite. The best client is the educated client, the knowledgeable client that doesn't need you, but they want you, right? It's the best. So a lot of attorneys, especially in the past, and when I started doing the educational segments, I got calls. Hey, Brooke, why are you doing this? This is going to be, no, because it's the right thing to do. Because as lawyers, we need to get rid of this weird, persona we all have, this bait and switch. It just need to be transparent, need to be human being. Because the lawyers that do best are the humans.
And if you're in a compensation case or if you're in an accident, you should get a lawyer.
And what I love about that is that's the truth. But people come to that conclusion after they see the educational videos. They realize that, wait, this is way more. It's more than just...
Way more.
Yeah, it's more than just, oh, wait, I got in an accident. Maybe I'll make the right decisions. Maybe I don't. I'll go to the hospital. Then the insurance company will call me and they'll offer me money. Guys, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way at all. If you want $500, it sure works that way. I'm sure they deliver it to your house. But once you sign that release, it's over. I can't get you out of it.
I want to make sure everyone knows that we can watch all the videos, I know, on your website, but you are giving away a TV. Lots of TVs.
Lots of TVs, yeah, 8 TVs, sure. So football season is my favorite season. I've been a football fan since I was tiny. It's a big event in my house. So I sat down and I said last year, actually 2 years ago, I said, I want to get the football audience, but I want to do it in a way that I can pursue my passion of educating, but also, have fun with it. So yeah, everybody that in the regular season of football that likes our Facebook page, Goff Law Group, there will be a random drawing every week. It's a sweepstakes, and we're giving away 55-inch flat screen TVs.
And
I'm delivering them.
I want to win.
I'm delivering them. So you don't have to wait till you see me in a restaurant and rattle the things down. You can talk to me about it when I'm in your living room.
You're an absolute delight.
With a mask.
Thank you so much for coming to Better Connecticut. We appreciate it.
And we want to make sure that everyone knows how to do this. So for more information, you can visit gofflawgroup.net.
Yes.
It's right up there on the screen. Thank you so much. So nice to meet you.
All right.
Love the suit.
Yes, we love the suit. We
All right,
really
summer
love it.
is the time for music and concerts. Ahead, the best acts coming to Connecticut.
And do you want to turn back the clock without expensive procedures? Ahead, a great product to throw in the beach bag to make you look years younger for your next summer outing.